If you want to access Coursera courses for free in 2026, there's still a 7-day free trial available, but only if you follow the correct steps. Most people either miss it or get charged by mistake. So here's a simple, step-by-step guide to claiming it properly. I've also added the official link in the description so you can follow along. With the Coursera Free Trial on Coursera, you can access full courses and video lessons, specializations and professional certificates, hands-on projects and assignments. Basically, you get full access before paying. Before we start, here's what you need to know. You must enter your payment details to activate the trial. And if you don't cancel within 7 days, it will automatically switch to a paid plan. Here's exactly how to claim it. Step 1. Go to Coursera and sign into your account. Step 2. Search for a course or open a Coursera Plus page. Step 3. Click on Start Free Trial. Step 4. Enter your payment information. Step 5. Confirm and start learning immediately. Now your 7-day free trial is active. To get the most out of it, start the trial when you have free time. Focus on completing at least one course. Avoid wasting time browsing too much. This way, you actually gain value during the trial. Here are a few mistakes people make. Forgetting to cancel before the 7 days end. Assuming all courses include a free trial. Starting the trial without a learning plan. Avoid these and you'll have a much better experience. Also, keep in mind, some discounted annual plans may not include a free trial, so always check the details before subscribing. If you want to try it yourself, check the official Coursera link in the description and start your free trial today. I regularly share Coursera deals, free trials, and savings tips, so check out my other videos if you want to learn more. And again, the free trial link is in the description.